Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Your Chef Shek here again. Today we're making a shakshuka. This is Arabian dish. They make in the morning time, and but this shakshuka we making with sausage and pepperoni. So I prepare everything, and you will see all the ingredient end of the video. So shall we start? Okay guys, we're gonna start now. We're gonna put some butter in there. If you don't want to use a butter, you can use oil. So oil will be good as well. But again, if you don't have a butter, you can use oil, any oil. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some onion in there. It's one small onion, and I already chopped small pieces. And we cook until we get a little bit brown. Okay friend, this is gone a little bit brown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put just half a teaspoon garlic, half a teaspoon ginger, and 1 spoon I put green chili paste. And then gonna mix together. Now I got chopped tomatoes, so I'm gonna put chopped tomatoes. Mix it together. Now I'm gonna put some spices in there. I got a pinch of salt. Got about half a teaspoon black pepper. Got cumin seed, about 1 spoon. Red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. Gonna mix this together, and I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. The olive oil is a stop to burning my butter. Okay guys, so done. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna smash my tomatoes in there. Okay guys, I got some sausage here, so I'm just gonna use mince for that sausage. Okay guys, I'm gonna just take a mince from there. Okay guys, I'm taking all mince from sausage. Now I'm gonna mix this Okay guys, now I'm gonna put pepperoni in there. I chopped already this pepperoni, and I'm gonna put some more oil in there. Okay guys, I put pepperoni and sausage mince. So now I'm gonna put some more chopped tomatoes. And I'm going to put some oil. it and just cook for another 3 minutes. Okay guys, our paste is ready. Now I'm gonna put eggs in there. Okay, now put some coriander on top. And low heat, just put the lid on top and leave it for cook. Okay friend, it's nearly ready. So I'm gonna put pepperoni on top of the yolk. And just leave it for a few minutes. Okay guys, our shakshuka is ready. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take it out in the pan. Shakshuka with sausage mince and pepperoni. What do you think? It's very nice and delicious. Give me feedback in the comment section, and if you subscribe, if not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe.